I'd like to welcome you to Victorville in GE's flight test operation and take you on a tour of our 747 flying test bed. It was the 16th 747 ever manufactured, and we've turned it into what we call a flying test bed or a laboratory. Why don't we come aboard and I'll show you the instrumentation. Hey, welcome aboard. This is the main deck of the 747. This is originally a Pan Am clipper ship. You can see some of the old Pan Am leather first class seating. It has a spiral staircase. Again, it was the 16th one made, but we take really good care of it. Why don't I take you up on the flight deck and show you the modifications we made to turn this into a real test airplane. At the top of the spiral is the upper deck in the Pan Am clipper ship. Come on forward to the cockpit and we'll show you what modifications we made. So this is just post-flight for the 2B. There are multiple displays for data. We have a control module here that is what we use to run the test engine with. Video for the cockpit to look at the test engine without having to turn around. Okay, and here we are on the main deck of the 747. And if you look to the rear, as you can see, what used to be an airliner with row upon row upon row of seat has now been replaced with row upon row of instrumentation. 4 different video inputs and recorders, high-speed data station for recording high-frequency content data. The advanced data system allows us to look at all of the digital parameters on the airplane live in flight. We wired the airplane where we can patch signals from the engine to any of the computer systems on board the ship and do it in a relatively short amount of time without having to rewire airplanes. We acquired this aircraft for the sole purpose of having one flying test bed that we could utilize across multiple product lines. General Electric has always felt that we should test the product in its environment, that being in the air. We at FTO think it's really exciting that one of the oldest 747s flying today is paving the way for the 747-8 aircraft certification.